What's up mga kalagarahe? New day, new build. For today's video mga kalagarahe, another episode na naman ng Motor Reveal. So, this is a regular build, Honda TMX 125. And first off, ang request ni client is ano lang, kasi on a budget lang. Kaya ang ginawa natin, regular build. May mga parts na siyang kinompromise, but at the same time, we still got the looks na affordable. And at the same time, kuha naman ang gusto niya. Alright, so may nagawa na tayo, same exact ganito, like last year ata yun, I'm not sure. But most probably, it was last year na nagawa natin ang ganitong looks, same exact. So, ayun, ang gawin natin ngayon is magpa-parts reveal tayo. But before that, shoutout ko po muna yung sponsor natin, which is the Macho Muchos. Shoutout to you, bro, Macho Mucho. So, for your haircuts, huwag kayong mag-hesitate sa kanila magpa-haircut and any other grooming stuff like that. So, PM nyo lang sila and then doon na kayo magpagupit sa kanya kasi maganda yung mga services nila. Mga well-trained yung mga barbers nila. Alright? So, for this episode, let's get right into it. First off, mga kalagaray, start tayo sa tank. So, as discussed namin ni Sir sa details, stock pa rin yung tank and yung paint job niya. Since maganda yung stock tank ng Honda TMX 125, pati yung paint job niya. Ayan. And then, dito sa handle grip, mid-rise handlebar, and then analog na speedometer, black na diamond classic grips. Alright. Standard na side mirror, and then, classic na headlight. Ayan. With grilled signal lights. Ayan. And then, custom seat natin sa likuran. Seat and U-bend. And request ni Sir is naka-LED strip. So, ayan. So, yung seat natin, may heat press na lagarahe, of course. And then, yung LED strip, embedded yan, of course, mga kalagarahe. Siyempre, malinis na malinis yan. Side cover, ni-repaint natin kasi walang paint job yung stock na side cover. It's just plastic. So, plastic primer tayo and then paint job na matte. Same with the fender. Custom hand shape natin. Aluminum. Yan. And then powder coated into matte black. Yan. And then yung elbow niya powder coated. Bullet pipe. Matte version. No, version 2. Yung mga tires nito is converted na rin to 17s. Ayan. Then, power tire, 110 sa likuran, 325 sa harapan. So, that's just basically it. Simple yet elegant because of the color and the looks. So, walk through lang tayo. Ayun mga kalagaray, I hope you liked our vlog and please don't forget to like, comment, and share dito sa video na to and sa other videos natin. Alright, and then if you want some queries, please proceed na kayo directly sa ating Facebook page kasi doon lang kami nagre-reply. Magre-reply naman kami sa comment sa YouTube pero pinapa-direct pa din namin doon sa Facebook kasi nga mas easier sa Messenger. You know what I mean, right? So, ayun, ito ang build natin na Honda TMX 125. So, ayun mga kalagaray, enjoy your day!